Hello, welcome to my channel. So we are getting our 4-H pigs, and I'm going to take you along and let you see what we are going to get. We're going to look at a couple of different farms, and I'm going to hopefully see some babies and see what kind of stuff we can get for the kids for a fair. The goal is to pick up 3 pigs. Logan is old enough to show 2, and Olivia is old enough to show 1. And so the goal is 3, but we are bringing the money for 3, but we're going to see what we get, because we're not just going to pick up just to pick up. We're looking for sound quality pigs, and so we're going to drive about an hour away to check out some. There are some pig farmers around us, but there are waiting lists, and the really good ones are going to online auctions so they can get the most money for their animals. And we're not going to chance an online auction or those prices. We're just not. So our fair is a kill fair, which means that you cannot take your animal home. Even if your parents buy it, the animal goes to slaughter no matter what. So being that these are not pigs that they're going to take for jackpots, or they're not going to take for like state shows, things like that, while we do want quality, I'm not willing to spend the amount of money that some of these other people are going to pay for like their jackpot shows and things like that, where the kids win money. They win, belt buckles, they win good things at our fair, but they do not get to keep their pig. So.
You lazy little guy just laying there eating. Yeah. Oh, so cuddly. Yes. Just a pile of pink. Oh. Yes. Hi, Mommy. Do you want some loving? Oh, yeah. You want some loving? Hold on. I don't want to get my hand caught up in that. Oh, you want some loving? Just a good mommy? Just a good mommy. Oh, it's so cuddly. Hello. She was so cuddly. Having a good time? You need more attention? You need more attention? Yeah? Do you need to be on camera too? Yeah. Hello, puppy. Hello. Hello, big guy. Your whole nose is the size of my hand. Hold on, let's see if we can find a flash. Oh, a flash. Look at how big your snout is. They fight like you and Logan. Look at this one over the bar. It's like, watch this. Come here, buddy. How's it going, buddy? Oh, you got poop on me. You got some poopy on me. Thanks for that. Nobody? Look at how stocky you are. You're beefy. For a piggy. What do you call a pig that's beefy? Beefy. Hello. Everybody smile for the camera. Smile pretty. Hello, honey. You're gonna eat my knee? Everybody wants to eat my fingers. Oh, well, that was exciting.
Figured it out, okay?
Logan, where'd you go?
I figured it out.
Where do you take me for?
For fun. What'd you find?
My next favorite is this deal right here. That one?
Did you just pick out 3 or 2? 2 for Logan and 1 for Olivia, or just 2 together?
Just them two together.
Okay. No, we turned the power off to it for now. Aaron said if it gets too cold, we'll turn the power back on and heat them up for now. If they start to look funny, we'll turn the heat back on.
Because they used to be living on.
Yeah, but it's insulated, so, and we'll put 2 bags of shavings in here for them. The dog's not happy about the pigs.
I don't like living.
I'll block the door so we don't let out. You're good. This one sounds bad. Mad. It's like I don't do stairs, but thanks.
Come on.
We're gonna use the tote and then find a waterer. What do you think? 2 bags of shavings for now? See how that looks?
Come on.
There's yours. Find a piece of it. So this one is yours, right? This one? The bigger one? With the white on its side?
Yeah. This one's hers. This one's Logan's.
Okay, so she's got the spot on the side of white. All right. Okay, we need a waterer, and then you can bring the feed.
With all white feet.
Waterer, feed, and then shavings.
Really nice.
You okay over there?
Yeah.
It's frozen.
Need some help?
You want to kick it around a little bit or let them?
Let them do it.
All right.
Oh, they're licking me. Oh, thanks.
Oh, they're slipping on this floor. We need to put more shavings in here. We got all the shavings over here, but they're not going through them all.
Oh, don't bite me. You can let.
All right, so after all that, these are the two I've showed you. But we are excited, we're happy. I'm feeding them in a tote because we only found one of our pig pens. This one here is super friendly. Ow. They're gonna eat my toes. This one is Logan's, the ones that's like super friendly, trying to eat my toes right now. And Olivia's is a little skittish, but hopefully she'll get there. You, sir, or ma'am. This one here. Hey, what's in here? Nope, you don't get to have that. You don't get to have nothing but your shavings and your feed. And then, like, you can see the markings on their ears. They got, like, it looks like almost like a cut. Well, they are cuts. They were cut into their ear. So it's like, depending on the farm that you get them from, it'll be their mom and the amount of litters that they've had, and then the birth order that they were. So like this one here is 1. And then this one's got the slit down the side at the bottom for 5 and one at the top for 6. And then they've got their, you know, like it's her 1, 2, 3, 4, 4th litter, and this one, the 5th litter, first one out of the 5th litter. Look here. You're a little monster, aren't you? Yeah, you're gonna be a troublemaker. Gonna be a troublemaker. But we'll watch them grow up. You guys can watch them with us, and we'll go to fair. And if you'd like to watch them, please consider subscribing, liking, sharing, all of the good stuff, and have a good rest of your day.